Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a traditional product in your country. What is it? What is it made up of? When did you try it for the first time? How did you feel about it? The handcrafted clay pot, known locally as a matka, is one of the most recognizable traditional Indian goods that I greatly admire. For ages, Indian homes have utilized this natural clay water container, particularly prior to the development of contemporary refrigerators. It is made completely by hand by craftsmen who use a potter's wheel to create the pot, sun-dry it, and then bake it in a kiln. The outcome is a lovely, earthy pot with practical uses in addition to a rustic appearance. When I was younger, I went to my grandparents' house for a summer vacation and used a clay pot for the first time. On a very hot day, my grandmother poured me water from the pot rather than bringing me cold water from the refrigerator. I was surprised to find that the water tasted unusually earthy, chilly, and pleasant. I was deeply impacted by that encounter, which felt extremely real. I have a deep cultural and emotional bond with this product. A clay pot serves as a reminder of a more environmentally conscious and sustainable way of life in a time when plastic and metal containers rule the market. It lowers our carbon footprint, keeps water cool without the need for electricity, and helps local craftspeople who continue to practice this age-old trade. All in all, I'm honored that such a straightforward but excellent product is a part of our history. These traditional goods, in my opinion, ought to be marketed more extensively since they embody Indian culture and the knowledge of our forefathers.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.